In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall packages and software on Ubuntu. First, I'll demonstrate how to find the exact name of the package you want to uninstall. Then I'll show you how to remove the package and its dependencies using apt command. The first thing we need to do is find the exact name of the package we want to uninstall. To do that, we can use any one of these three commands. For example, if I run dpkg-l, it lists all installed packages on the system. You could scroll through this list to find your package, but a better way is to filter the results using grep. In this example, I want to remove the Apache web server. So, I'll pipe the output of dpkg to the grep command to find all packages containing Apache in their name. Here the package name is Apache 2, and there are a few other packages that start with Apache 2. These are most likely dependencies of the main Apache 2 package. Okay, now let's uninstall the Apache web server. First, we need to remove the Apache 2 package using either the apt remove or apt purge command. The difference is that apt purge removes all configuration files and related documents, while apt remove command usually leaves them behind. Here I'll use the apt purge command to ensure all configuration files are removed. Okay, the Apache 2 package has been removed. Now let's run the dpkg command to check if any Apache 2 packages are still remaining. As you can see, there are still a couple of Apache-related packages remaining, which are most likely dependencies of the main package. To remove those, we need to run the apt autoremove command. This will remove any dependency packages on the system that are no longer required. Now if we run the dpkg-l command again, you'll see that there are no more Apache 2 related packages. One more thing I want to mention is that some apps save user-specific configurations in the .config directory inside the user's home folder. While this isn't the case with Apache, certain desktop applications like TeamViewer, OBS Studio, and web browsers do store files in this directory. These files likely won't be removed automatically, so you'll have to delete them manually using the rm command. Before we finish, if you want to find configuration files related to a package, use the dpkg-L command followed by the package name. This will list all the config files, except for the user-specific ones, related to the given package. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials.